Well, guys, it is that time. Pyro Petey is doing another giveaway. Blazing Glory Fireworks is promoting this giveaway. We got, and you can tell me if the winner, I got large, extra large, extra large. This is the extra large, as you can see. It goes all the way across. You got yourself a nice little Blazing Glory pen. Gotta keep your pop or beer cold, right? It's got 3 locations. Number. Got the shirt. We got these bad boys. I said, give me some small ones. Them are small. Here's some little bees. A little rumbler. Some snap bomb. Magic black snake. And look at this magical dragon. Isn't that dope? Oriental dragon. And we know what those are. Okay. All you have to do is be a subscriber. Like this video. Comment on this video. And share it to a pyro. If you say, I don't know how to share, just be like, hey man, go to another pyro and be like, hey, Petey's doing a pyro giveaway. Jump on there. And say I sent you or whatever. You know? I understand some people ain't technology smart like me. I'm not. So, share it with another pyro so we can get as many pyros on this giveaway as possible. Because there's a lot more to come. As you see, I got a stack load of shirts. I got a stack of koozies. I got a stack load of fun. Let's get on it.
When are you?
Thank you, Mark. This one's going to go for 1 week. 1 week. So, good luck, pyros. What is up, pyros? We got a little demoing here. We got to test out my ratio. See how things are flowing on the end of things. Make sure everything's going to go beautifully. Okay. So what I have here is 2 G's. Go in the fucking hole, bitch. It don't want to go in the hole, guys. Alright. Let's go side view. Well, I'd say 2 G's works pretty damn good. Two G's. That's what I'm talking about, pyros. I call that a success. Oh, can't wait. Can't wait for the 4th. Can't wait to show you guys some stuff. Pyro out.